Hello everyone, welcome to this crash course in prompt engineering, the secret sauce behind getting ChatGPT and large language models to actually work for you. This video is broken down into three sections from beginner to pro. What even is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the practice of designing and optimizing input prompts to effectively communicate with large language models. Large language model here is our ChatGPT and guide their output in a desired direction. Simply saying, prompt engineering is about crafting clear, smart instructions so you don't just get any response, you get the right one. Section 1, the four everyday prompt styles you'll use all the time. First up, informational prompt. You ask for knowledge or information. For example, here I give ChatGPT the prompt, what is quantum computing in simple words? So ChatGPT adapts to my level and explains quantum computing in really simple words. Further, you can enhance your results by answering its questions. Here it asks, would you like an example of how it's different from regular computing? So you can give yes, and it gives an even depth example. Next, instructional prompt. You ask it to do something. For example, write a birthday wish for my best friend who loves Star Wars. So if you want it funny, you want it poetic, you want it short, just say so. Details matter. I want it poetic, so I say make it poetic. So here it gives me a whole poem. Next, role based prompt. You tell ChatGPT to take on a role. This is one of the mostly used prompting techniques. Example, act as a fitness coach and give me a weekly plan. The bonus tip here is to ask it to ask you questions first so that it knows better about what you're expecting from it. Next, context rich prompt. You provide background for smarter replies. First, I asked ChatGPT to help me prep for a job interview. So it gives me basic set of questions that might be asked. But then I improvise the prompt, give it a background, stating that I'm prepping for a Google job interview and give the job description, and then I ask it to help me craft answers. That's when it gives me personalized questions that might be asked in my interview. The more you share, the better the AI performs. Alright, now that you've got the what, let's talk about how. Zero shot prompting. No examples, just a straight ask. Translate good morning to Japanese. Great for quick one off tasks. Few shot prompting. Give examples to teach the pattern. For example, here we have given three examples with input and output, each converting the direct commands into polite requests. So for the final input, finish the project by tomorrow, the output should be a request. ChatGPT successfully returns the output, could you please finish the project by tomorrow? Chain of thought prompting. Ask it to think step by step. So, for example, the prompt given here is a pizza has 8 slices. 3 people eat 2 slices each. How many are left? Think step by step. This type of prompting is a goldmine for logic, math, and clarity. Constrained prompting. Control format, tone, or word count. For example, summarize this article in 3 bullet points under 50 words. Here I've pasted the article about gold. So this puts boundaries on ChatGPT. These are some prompt templates. Steal these reusable patterns. Save your favorite template. It speeds up your workflow, keeps results consistent. Let's turn the dial up. These are next level techniques used by AI power users. First, set clear context. Pretend you're talking to a smart human. For example, I run a design agency. I need a 30-second pitch for new clients. This sets the scene and ChatGPT responds more accurately. Multi-step prompts. Ask for tasks in order. For example, first list 3 blog topics for solopreneurs, then pick one, write an outline. Cleaner results and better flow. This can be used in situations where we need a flow to perform our tasks. Structured outputs. Ask for tables, lists, formats. Example, make a table comparing Canva, Photoshop, and Figma by ease of use, price, and best features. This prompt can be used to make a table for comparison, ideal for research or presentations. Markdown formatting. Want something blog ready or Notion friendly? You can use the prompt write pros and cons of remote work in Markdown, or you can simply paste your research work and convert it into Markdown. Clean, copy paste output, no editing needed. Prompt ChatGPT to help write prompts. Yes, it can help you help yourself. For example, you can give the prompt give me 5 prompt ideas for viral YouTube shorts about AI tools, and it brainstorms ideas for you. It's an instant brainstorm buddy. Last, prompt iteration. Start rough and refine as you go. You don't need perfect prompts, just a willingness to shape them. The magic's in the back and forth. And that's it. Your fast track from curious user to confident prompt engineer in under 10 minutes. No coding, no jargon, just smart, simple ways to get ChatGPT to work with you, not just for you. You can download the full cheat sheet of prompt engineering from the description. Next up, I'm showing you how people are using prompts in real world, from content creation to coding and even productivity hacks. You won't want to miss that. Share your favorite technique in the comments and subscribe for more smart AI content. Catch you in the next one.